Hello guys, today we want to show you something different. So today we have challenge. I try to clean all 3 guns in 15 minutes. So we have 3 pistols here: Sig Sauer M17, a Heckler Koch USP and Glock 43X. Let's check it. Let's disassemble and then we start our timer and we will see if it's possible to clean the gun, 3 guns in 15 minutes. So 1 gun less than 5 minutes. We will see. Okay, so let's start our challenge. Timer, bang. Okay, first bore foam. Let's fulfill the barrels. 1, 2, 3. Now gun cleaner. It's not so dirty. Firepin channel. Okay. So let's dry it. And always after gun cleaner, car spray. Okay. The spring. Dry. And car spray. The frame. It's not so bad. Okay, let's dry it. Okay, and car spray to protect the gun. Because after gun cleaner, this is a degreaser, so you have dry gun but without any protection. Here the firepin channel. You see that our high pressure and strong ingredients, they remove all dirt from the gun. And car spray. Next spring, dry it, hairspray. Okay. Next frame, it's USP. Dry it. And car spray. It's safe for wood, for rubber, for everything. And the dirtiest, I suppose, the Glock. Okay, let's dry it. Okay. Oh my God. Car spray. Okay. This small part. The same story. Gun cleaner, dry it, car spray, dry it. As usual. Spring. And the slide, the last one. You see how dirty it is? But our gun cleaner removes all the dirt. Firepin channel, dry it. You can see it's clean now. And car spray. How much it took? 4 minutes. 4 minutes, and except barrels, we have cleaned and protect 3 guns. So let's back to the barrel. I know that this is too early, but we want to do it fast. So you see few moves of brush and it's clean. Dry it. Now care spray. The same story all the time, and leave it. Gun cleaner, brush, and care spray. And the last barrel, it's a Glock. The same story. And care spray. Okay, so now we need to dry the barrel inside. We use our ball snake with 2 brushes, and the best thing is that we can connect the ends. I try to do it fast. Okay. So let's connect the ends. Okay. And we have a loop, so it's very fast to clean and dry the gun inside. Three times is enough. Okay. Let's try it. The second barrel. The same story, guys. So ball snake, the loop. Okay, we need some help with timer. Okay, let's rock. 1, 2. Okay. And the last one. Let's connect the ends. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now we need to dry the gun inside. So we use our towels, and if you want to save time, we use compressor. This one. This one. This one. The spring. The frame. Yeah. I feel the pressure, guys. Okay, the last frame, it's a small Glock. Spring. And the last part is Glock slide. Of course, let's dry the fire pin channel here, here, and here. Okay, so we have gun clean, we have gun protected, and now the last part is lubrication. So that's why we use, okay, we use our CLP oil, just 2 drops. Come on, 1, 2, okay, outside the barrel. One drop each rail. 1 and 2. Okay. Reload 2 times, just to be sure that the oil will be on all over the surface. The same story here, guys. 2 drops. Okay. The spring. Oh my God. Okay. 1 drop each side. Come on. Yeah. Reload 2 times. And the last is Glock. One drop each rail. 1, 2, the spring. No, come on. Okay. That's it. 12 minutes. So now we can just use our polishing towel to remove the excess of car spray. 1, 2, and the last one, small Glock. Very nice gun. "12 minutes. It's so hard, guys? I don't think so. So after each shooting, you can just give few minutes for your gun. It's really helpful, and then it's very easy to clean again because you have protected and clean gun, and it's really pleasure to shoot with such gun. Thank you very much. See you.